How to fix a Facebook page not showing follow button. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, in order to fix this problem, make sure your Facebook application is updated. So head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, simply type in Facebook. If it shows update, tap on update and update your app. Now if it shows open, you have to open the application because this is already updated. Now at this page, make sure that you are logged into your specific Facebook page and not your Facebook account. If you are logged into your Facebook account, you may go ahead and switch it to your Facebook page. You will see a page like this. Tap onto menu and tap onto your name. Now at this section, tap on three-dot icon just beside edit profile and you will see follow settings here. Tap it and make sure this is all set to public. Under who can follow me, if it's friends, tap on public, then save. And likewise, also ensure everything is public and this is toggled on. Once it is so, this will automatically enable the follow settings. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.